Hey buddy, this is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best bike locks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best bike locks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Kryptonite KryptoLok. The Kryptonite KryptoLok is our premier recommendation for riders seeking high-tier security on a budget, perfectly balancing size and versatility. Tester Luke Holloman notes that its dimensions hit a sweet spot, offering more locking options than a mini-lock without the cumbersome bulk of a full-sized unit. Unlike other entry-level options that leave the shackle vulnerable, the KryptoLok's 13mm hardened steel construction is robust across both the U-section and the crossbar, forcing a thief to make 2 time-consuming cuts with an angle grinder to defeat it. Bundled with a secondary cable for front-wheel security, it outclasses its competitors by providing a level of double deadbolt protection rarely seen at this price point, making it a reliable, high-value choice for daily urban use. While it's a high-value, budget-friendly powerhouse, it does require some occasional elbow grease to keep it in peak condition. The locking mechanism can become sticky or gummed up over time, especially when exposed to road grit. Routine maintenance with a Teflon-based dry lubricant is essential to keep the disc-style cylinder turning smoothly. And number 2. Kryptonite Keeper 785 Integrated Chain Lock. The Kryptonite Keeper 785 wowed us throughout our testing with its ease of use and versatility. Though it's not the most difficult lock to defeat, it's quite secure and surprisingly lightweight, versatile, and well-designed. While U-locks have been the go-to choice for bike security because they're hard to breach, they're often a pain to use. Comparatively, we found the Keeper was quick, easy, and fit almost everywhere. I love how easy this is to use, according to lead tester Joshua Hutchins. The Kryptonite chain lock is made with 7mm manganese-hardened steel links, and at 37-inch long, it's super convenient. This lock is also relatively lightweight and easily stows in a bag or can wrap around a seat post in a pinch. Of course, user-friendliness doesn't mean much if a lock isn't secure. Fortunately, the Keeper 785 is fairly tough to cut. It was impervious to our bolt cutters, cable cutters, and hacksaws. And number 3. DockLocks Anti-Theft Weatherproof Cable. We will say this immediately. Cable locks aren't secure, and you shouldn't count on one to protect your bike. But if you must use one, the DockLocks Anti-Theft Weatherproof Cable is the best we have tested. This lock isn't especially secure. We cut through it in seconds with a hacksaw, bolt cutters, and side-cutting cable pliers. The angle grinder cut through it like butter. But what it lacks in security, it makes up for in lightness, convenience, ease of use, and versatility. Testers say, it's easy to toss into your bag or wrap around your handlebars and hit the town. This lock has nice dials that are durable and easy to read, it weighs less than a pound, is smooth to operate even when muddy or frozen, and comes in 5-foot lengths up to 25 feet. Lead reviewer Luke Holloman admits, if you have to have a cable lock, I think this is the one to get. And number 4. Kryptonite New York Fahgettaboudit Chain and Disc Lock. The Kryptonite New York Fahgettaboudit chain and disc lock is the nuclear option of bike security, trading all pretense of portability for a near-impenetrable mass of 14mm manganese steel. Tipping the scales at over 15 pounds, this isn't a lock you lug around on a casual ride. It's a stationary beast designed to stay anchored to a permanent rack or inside a high-risk garage. While its sheer bulk is a physical and psychological nightmare for thieves, the raw steel links can be a paint shredder for your frame, making it a better fit for those who prioritize brute force defense over a pristine finish. For securing multiple bikes or providing set-it-and-forget-it peace of mind in high-theft zones, this remains the definitive physical deterrent for long-term unattended storage. This lock isn't for the faint of heart, it's as burly as bike locks get. I found myself consistently strategizing on how to carry it, then deciding not to. If this lock feels like overkill, the Kryptonite Evolution 1012 chain lock. It's significantly lighter, but still more than most riders would like to carry. And number 5. OnGuard Bulldog STD U-Lock. The OnGuard Bulldog, $33, is a solid, affordable option for folks looking for a reliable and trustworthy U-Lock. It swings well above its weight class for the price. We've been fans of OnGuard's locks and the value the brand brings to the table for some time, and the Bulldog is a great example. At 9x 4.5, the shackle is similar to the Abus and Kryptonite KryptoLoks featured in this guide, albeit slightly wider. While half an inch isn't a game changer, the extra space is a welcomed feature on this lock. The shackle is 11 millimeters thick, which should offer plenty of protection against bolt cutters and hacksaws, but doesn't take long to cut through with an angle grinder. Like other locks on this list, OnGuard uses a double lock shackle feature for enhanced security, and OnGuard claims the cylinder is resistant to bumping and lock picking.